ELA week of February 12th. This list is due Friday, February 16th. The first one says, read to self and practice your power goal. You're doing this 3 times. Check each box. Each time you do it for 20 minutes. For work on writing this week, you're reading Healthy Eating or scan the QR code and listen to Healthy Eating. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Required for 20 minutes. Then create an informational Foursquare plan answering the question, why is it important to eat healthy foods? This is independent, reflect when you're finished. Using your Foursquare plan, write an informational draft. Independent, reflect when you're finished. When you are finished with your informational writing, score yourself and edit your writing using the rubric in the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're finished. Optional, so don't do it unless you finished everything else, says trade your writing with a partner and score each other's informative writing draft with a colored pencil using the rubric. Write your pair on the line. Reflect when you're done. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, it says, complete the Use Illustrations paper from the resource area using The Man Who Made Parks. So go get your book, The Man Who Made Parks, in order to complete the worksheet in the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. Listen to reading, required for 15 minutes. Listen to a story on Raz-Kids on your level. What is the title? Write the title on this line. Take the quiz, write down your score, write the score on this line. Independent, reflect when you're done. For foundational this week, required for 20 minutes, the green readers are reading the shh words. You're reading the shh words and posting them on Seesaw. The blue readers are completing the Say It, Write It, Repeat It worksheet in the resource area. Red readers are doing the shh worksheet in the resource area. And white readers are doing the fill in the blanks research in the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. Remember, we're also doing required for 5 minutes. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. So scan the QR codes in your classroom and listen to those tricky words. Independent, reflect when you're finished. For social studies this week, choice for 25 minutes, read How Do We Use Maps on page 25 to 29 in your Social Studies Alive book, or you can scan the QR code and listen to How Do We Use Maps on page 20 to 25 to 29 in the Social Studies Alive textbook. Then complete the map skills note-taking guide as you read. Don't forget this note-taking guide needs to be done while you're reading it. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Good luck this week.